Hi there, welcome. This is Hillary and Jared from the Doer Duo. In this video, Jared is going to be building our outdoor kitchen for the tiny A-frame. We use this as a short-term rental. Previously, we had a tent kitchen, so it was about time to upgrade to a more permanent structure. If you like all things DIY, then please consider subscribing to our channel.
We have this little space here. We're going to start building the outdoor kitchen on. See what happens. We got the 4x4 posts, some standard 2x4x8s. We're in the process now of cutting these posts. Basically what we're gonna do is the bottom, we're gonna score these here and we're gonna interlock. What are we building? Outdoor kitchen?
Yep. We're gonna have to put a door here. Might need more gas.
We got the bird mouth cut. This is the front here. We tried it out on the outdoor kitchen and it works. Once we get one that fits, everything's plumb. Use that as a template. It's a lean-to, so there's a slight bit of angle. This bottom piece is completely level with the wall stud. And this piece here is what kind of keeps everything stiff and plumb. And then it's just the opposite for the front. So we go to the front here, and that kind of goes up right there. And that's all level with the wall stud. Are you being safety first?
Yep.
All right, good. No hands by the hammer?
Nope.
Perfect. How we doing over here, pal?
I'm doing perfect. Look at that one. Colored it all up.
Awesome. So we're up here putting on some strapping up on the roof. Little 1x3s. We're gonna run those across. I'm doing a 7-inch overhang. After we get this on, we're gonna put some 1x2s to close up this gap right here. And then we can start attaching our metal roof. So, getting close. And I got the builder in the house.
Hear that, kids?
And we got some trim blockers here. That's all flush. So we got these roof screws. They have some special drill bits. So that fits right in. And these DeWalt ones are nice. They have little magnets. Attach that up. Start hanging up some panels and we'll get rolling. I attached these 2x2 pressure treated pieces of wood here, and this is what I'm thinking, what I'm going to anchor the screen to. So I've done it in the past where I've just kind of put the screen on here and then added the staples in, but the rodents always seem to get underneath it and whatnot, and the staples always seem to have a little bit of holes in between. It's a difficult process. So what I'm going to try to do this time around is take these 2x2s, attach them right here, and then put my screen, staple the screen in, and then take another piece of 2x2 and kind of butt it up to it so that the staples are all in there, so it kind of sits flush so nothing can get underneath the little holes between each staple. That's the plan, so we'll see what happens. springtime sort of arrived now. So this is the start of the prep table. All the white paint is finished up inside. And I'm hoping to get a shipment of some stones in here as well. I took the chainsaw and cut that 4x4 that was going across there, so now we got the opening. So we're just making a door for the outdoor kitchen. 2x4 door. I just cut them at 45-degree angles. I measured out the dimensions there, and then we're gonna put a piece right in the middle, screen it, a couple hinges, a little latch, or maybe just a handle, or maybe an eye hook. I'm not really sure, but yeah, it should be pretty good. Should be nice and easy, really cheap.